And this is the Healthy Living Dehumidifier. That's what the box looks like. Let's open it up and check out what's inside. It's got these little corner pieces to hold the packaging in. I think I'll open everything up and put it on the bench top here and we'll check it out. And we have an instruction manual in the box. We've got protective plastic over the control panel and the front here. Flow through air ventilation, it looks like. If there's anything underneath. Yep, we got some info there, so we'll have a look at that. And put it back down again. And see what this is. Okay, it opens up. We've got a little drain hose, it looks like. And the plug. I've got a little lever on the top here that looks like it must be a shut-off valve. And that's the little sensor there that's the stop the water from overflowing in the container. And of course the little container. On the bottom of the little bucket here you have this little rubber stopper and you pop the hose into it. So by doing that you can actually have it permanently set up so you don't have to worry about this little container filling up with water. It'll drain into the sink or wherever you put it, which is a great little feature. There's a little slot in the front of the container, so it must fit in like so. Looks like it stands out the front here. Okay, so that's it assembled. I've pressed the button on the top and as you can see the LED is changing colour. So it cycles through everything, and we're also down to 74% humidity in here. So that's quite a substantial drop. I'll let it run for a few hours and then I'll check to see how much water is in it. So the humidity level has dropped down to 60. We'll stop it at the moment. Turn it around and we'll see. There's a bit of water in there, so it's definitely working. Quite impressed actually.